guys to check out a roleplay with me, and it is called the Rainy Family Night Routine. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. Okay, let's go. Ugh, Mom, can you hurry up and unlock the door? It is not me, honey. It is your dad. Well, Dad? Hurry up. I know you did not just talk to me like that. I'm trying to do an app. You shouldn't even have got this little stupid thing anyways. You know, it was a little too expensive. What? It was not. She's right, honey. No, she's not. Whatever. Okay, she's unlocking it any minute now. Perfect. Unlocked. Okay, everybody in. Son, would you close the door? Yeah. Okay, let's all go to our rooms. Yes, please. Oh my God. Honey, would you stop acting like that? Whatever. Alright, sweetie. Oh, we forgot the little stay downstairs. But y'all stay in the elevator. Yeah. Anyways. She's so freaking stupid. No, you are. Look like to be all. Oh, hi. Oh, I just want to get in this, but I can't. I have freaking homework. My plus and minus book. All my notebooks. And I just have to read my notes for my testing, but meanwhile, alright, it's game time. Ain't got no homework. Let's play with the boys, bro. Hey, what y'all wanna play? What y'all wanna play? Are we in a spy? Okay, I'll play the spy game. I'm also gonna be playing this at the same time. Or at least, yeah, watching the video. Yes, bro, that's what I'm thinking. Me too. Got the parents' room. Alrighty. It's a busy day. Alright. Time to floppy flop in some pajamas. Me too, but I gotta get this baby to sleep. I know. Could you ask me a bottle? Which one? The big one. And that little green. And the thing. Yeah. Alrighty. Dad's gonna hold you this time. What? For her. For her doing. For her asthma. What? Man, I have to do it? Yes. Which one? Good job. Okay. And you get bottle. Now you'll get bottle. Would you please try that? Yeah. Alrighty. I know. I'm gonna take this off and you're gonna get a shower. Yeah. Shower. Really. What is that? Nothing. Okay. Hey, which table are you studying? Or whatever. Yeah. Okay. Better be. I am. Perfect. I just got your little pool bathtub. cup thing set up. And now let's watch that little scalp that barely any head hairs coming out. Okay, wash it with the white cloth. We'll add some conditioner after. Okay. Dip the cloth and get it some wet. Put it under the sink too. Okay, dip it again. Yeah, nice and clean. Okay, some body wash. Nice and clean, huh? Let that in. Yeah, I know. Okay, ready for the last thing, some conditioner. Ready? Yep. Ready to wash that in too. Okay, since you don't have that much hair, I wasn't thinking of doing any conditioner, but I can see the little spikes coming out, and I don't want that to be mean. Like, I hope your hair comes out curly. Your dad's hair is curly, and I want it to be curly, because mine's not. But I want that for you. Okay, all done. Ready. Last little food, and yes, perfect. Alrighty, we'll stay up a little bit more doing some tummy time. But after that, once it starts to get dark, no, you're going to bed. Let me go find the tummy time now. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Hi. I'm so sorry, they're so loud. Alright, looks like it got dark. Alright, good night, baby. Good night, love dog. Mwah. Okay, good night. Mwah. Good night, baby. Stuffy. Oh, I forgot to touch everything. I'm sorry. Don't worry, guys, I'm a little sneaky. Okay, put your medicine, touch it. Just pretend like there's something to touch her. And there you go, love. I have to go pick up her oxygen mask tomorrow so that we can put it on her. Yeah. Okay. Let me take that. Put that in a drawer. I can't put that in a drawer. Whatever. You guys, my older sister took a look at it, and she's like really bad at getting clothes, so we'll have to get her some clothes. Don't mind. I hope y'all don't mind that. There's barely any clothes, but just try not to pay attention to that. Hey, babe. Me and your dad are gonna go to sleep. You already had dinner because we went out for dinner. Yeah. Alright, good night. Good night, love. Hey, babe. Yeah? Me and your dad are gonna go head to bed. You already had dinner. We ate out. Okay. Good night, Mommy. Love you. You almost done? Yeah, this is my last thing. Okay. Ooh, guys, I always do that. Ready for bed, babe? Yeah. Yupperoonie. Okay. Let's head to bed then. Oh my god, I dropped the glasses. It's not going on. Okay, I finished. I found it. Okay. Oh my god. I'll just leave it. I'll just leave it. Okay. Alright. Good night. Good night. Alrighty, I am officially done. And now I can actually, like, get in my PJs, chill in bed, and yeah, actually, should I wear the PJs or should I wear those? I think I'll wear these ones. Now I can chill in bed and watch YouTube. or reels, whatever. Oh, it is getting pretty late. I think I will just go to bed. Yes. Okay. There, glasses right here. I'm gonna go to bed. Hey, Michael. What? It's literally at 10 o'clock. I think you should go to bed. Alright, guys, I'm gonna hop off. Alright, bye, Michael. Bye, y'all. Bro, you have to ruin all the fun. Michael, it's time to go to bed. It's literally 10 o'clock. We have school tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday. Oh, yeah, but still. Whatever. Take your glasses off. Oh my god. Michael, turn off your light. Wait, that was off. Of course, his TV is still on. Good night, Michael. Let me make sure my parents' lights are on. And of course, there's a Hawaiian light on. And out here, oh, I'm gonna get wet. Look at them, there's a thing. Oh. Yes, of course. Dog's little food bowl. Okay, go eat. Yeah. Alrighty, I'll fill it in the morning. Good night. Alright guys, that was the end of our roleplay. I'm gonna bring all the family members together. Yo, Michael, did you just fart? That was an ending for y'all. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed our little roleplay. And yeah. So, bye guys. Hope y'all enjoyed. Subscribe.